Is now a good time to get into Fisker. In the past, we did see market action get up above the cloud, made this little top pattern here, and that caused the cloud to be projected up, and our current market action is now trapped underneath it for quite a while. And then today, boom, bang, we get a nice little blast off of the cloud breakout as price action opens above the cloud. Now, later on, we did have a report come out from Stanley Morgan listing this as a buy, but that didn't happen until about noontime. So our initial rocket ship with above average volume happened before the report even came out. So is it too late to get in? Where could this go? Morgan Stanley does have it going up to $59, and that's quite a ways away. So we could see some more market action up to the upside. If you're able to get in the next few days around this $19 mark and you decide not to have a stop, that's going YOLO. If you decide to put a 10% stop, it would be about here. If you wanted a little bit more room in between your entry and a stop, you could go for a 20% stop, and that would be here. So a 10% stop is a little bit tight where current market action could come down and stop you out, where a 20% stop does give you a little bit of support of the cloud in between market action and the stop, and as well as the blue line and the red line. The Ichimoku lagging green line is free and clear above market action and the other lines, and so that is a sign of momentum to the upside. Forecast shows that our future cloud was red and getting larger. However, this move up is going to stall that, and we should see this red cloud start to shrink, and then eventually, if market action continues to go up, switch over from a red to a green cloud. Areas of support include the top of the cloud, the bottom of the cloud, and then the bottom of old market action, but that would be below a 20% stop, so we do not want to even see it come down that far. Resistance above we can find at the top of this little flat blue line here, and that's about where market action got to today, so it did cause resistance as we got up and hit it. We do have another resistance line up here with old market action, and that's at about the 2157 line. So if our current market action can get above 1985 and then above the 2157, it will be absolutely free and clear to the upside with nothing above it that could stop it. If you're looking to get into this luxury EV car manufacturer Fisker, now might be a good time to do so. Seeing market action stay above the cloud is going to be our next sign that we're going to be looking for. If it can stay above the cloud, that's going to be a good bullish indicator. I'm William Grantham with IchimokuWeather.com with this Fisker quick analysis.